it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and this is my long-awaited living room refresh summer tour. So that's what we're gonna call it. I mean, God only knows what I'm gonna write on the title of the video, but that's what I'm calling it from now. So anyways, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would totally love to have you join me on my YouTube adventures. And click on the little bell so you can be notified for all the new videos. Okay guys, so first things first, I've been living in this house for just over 2 years. When we got the house, it was so dirty. It was really like mismatchy colors everywhere. The walls were like all peach. Everything was peach, like everything was peach. And so I've been trying really hard. The very first thing I did was paint, and I'm gonna show you that. I used Sherwin-Williams, a Repose Gray. It is one of my favorite colors, but I also did little tiny accents of a darker gray on my front door, on my front hallway closet, and around the half walls where the columns are. I'll show you that in a minute when I turn the camera around. Okay, so let's turn the camera around and see what I've done, and I'll give you a short description of everything also, okay? Okay guys, this is what you see when you walk in to my house. This is my living room. I'm gonna pan around and show you. So that's what you see when you come into the living room. This here is the little half wall that I was talking about. This is painted a different color, and then the rest of the walls are painted the Repose Gray. Okay, so let's start here. Don't mind my tripod because I just filmed the intro, and that's my water there. Okay, so this is my little bar card. Short story. I bought this at Winners, which is the Canadian version of Tjmaxx. It had a mirror top and it was missing the mirror on the bottom, so I only got it for $55. Brought it home and we had a party outside. It fell over, the mirror broke, so I just added that for now, but I am gonna mirror them. I found a company here that will cut the mirrors for me, and then all the accessories pretty much, guys, are from either HOMEGOODS, Homesense, or Tjmaxx. Now I shop at all three of those stores on a regular basis. And that is my Z Gallery dupe, and I totally love this thing. I just added black rocks and some little succulents in it. And here for the bar cart theme, I just put all the wine bottles, corks that I've been drinking. And then down here, I just got some alcohol, my little marble and silver coasters, and I am burning a Z Gallery candle. Okay, let's get over here. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that these shelves my dad made for me. Unfortunately, I don't like the color anymore, and I want them a little bit different, so I am gonna refinish them. All my accessories that you see here, again, are pretty much from either Tjmaxx, HOMEGOODS, and Homesense. Where else? Oh, there's the doggy. Okay, these lamps here are from a company here in Canada called Bouclair, and these are my Z Gallery dupe paintings. I'll show you them both. They're reading a little bit pinker on camera than they actually are, but they're not. The sconces are from Z Galleries, and guys, this is my biggest pet peeve in the whole universe, are those wires. Okay, so this is another thing I did change. I used to have this dark green and gold tile around my fireplace, and I did change it to the marble. I love it. The marble looks fantastic. I'm really, really happy with that. And there's the other side. And okay, let's go into the carpet, guys. I love this carpet. Oh, Miss Puppy Love, can you get off the carpet? Thank you. That's Miss Mia's tail in the background, guys. I'm trying to get her to get away from there. Okay, she seems to want to play with her toy, so she wants to be on camera. Let's show her. Yes, there she is. Okay, so this is my sectional I've had this section for a really long time. I love it. Miss Puppy Love, can you get out of the frame? It's a great sectional. It's really, really comfortable. The color is like a taupey gray. I wouldn't say gray, but I wouldn't say beige, and I wouldn't say taupe. So it's kind of a universal color. The coffee table I've had forever and a day. My God, guys, when I bought this coffee table's way over, it's gotta be over 15 years old. It used to be dark copper brown legs. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop because this dog is driving me nuts. Okay guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this dog. Anyways, as I was saying, this coffee table used to be copper brown legs, and it had a faux leather top. I got the granite cut years and years and years ago, and then I sprayed the legs. I think it's a really nice modern twist, and I kind of upcycled it. My throw blanket, the gray pillows are from Ross, and the big ones, as you see here, are from Z Gallery, and I have that little tiny blessed pillow there, and just one of those faux fur throws on the top there in the corner. And then here, this throw is from, I think this one's from HOMEGOODS in the States, yeah. And then I have this little accent table here with 2 little candle holders and thing. I really like this color. I love this color. Kind of used it in doses around, but that tray is really, really pretty. And then here, let me see if I can pan back. There's Miss Mia. Here, I just added some twigs in a vase. I actually had that in the dining room. And above there, see that little wall decal there? That, guys, is plastic. And it's literally from the dollar store. But I think it looks really, really cute. You can see my kitchen in there, but let's not focus on that right now. Okay, sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm trying to do my best. So here I have this little chest that my dad actually made, and with a lamp, a picture of me and my grandma, and a pretty like flower thing. And there's the curtains. I will link the video for how I made these curtains. And there's another shot of the living room from the other side. I think it looks great. I'm really, really, really happy with it. And there, on that wall there, I used to have a whole picture wall, but I added those 2 mirrors. And guess what, guys? They were in my basement, so I didn't really buy them. I had them from another previous house, and I just brought them up. And me and my daughter were trying to remember where they're from, and I think they're actually from Walmart. So I think they just filled the space nicely, and it added something to that wall. And there is the overview of my living room, and in there you can see my dining room, which is gonna get a refresh very, very soon. So that is it. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you join me on my YouTube adventures. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And I hope you have the most amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.